Hello friends, good morning to all. Today I am going to take a webinar about how to conduct online quiz using Google Forms. For that we have to open our Chrome. We have to open our Chrome first, and then before creating a Google form you must log in into your Gmail account, and then by clicking this Google Apps button you have to select a Google Drive. Your drive will be open, and then you have to click this plus button. You have to add by clicking this more option you have to add a new Google form in your Google Drive. Now our form will be displayed here. Here I will provide the title of my form, that is sample quiz, and then the title will be saved as a form name, and then I will add the first question. Here I will teach you how to create a quiz, at the same time how to provide a participation certificate for your participants. Here I will add first question. For providing certificate we must add first 3 questions for providing details for our certificates. For that here I will add name field first. Here we will select a short answer and then select the required option, and then add the next field is a designation. Okay, and then provide college name. These are all the fields, first 3 fields. These 3 fields used in our certificates. Okay, then I will add the next our quizzes. For that I will use add question. If you want to add any images, import any questions from web, you use this import questions. And then if you want to add a title and description, use this. And then if you want to add images or videos, for that you have to use these options. Now I use the new section, add a new section for questions. For that I will click that add section option, and then I will add the question. Here I will choose multiple choice question. The type of question will be chosen here. I will choose my question. I will type my question. I will type my question here, and then I will change it as multiple choice question, and then I will type my options here. Okay, I will type all the answers. Okay, I will add my options here. After that I will select the required option enable, and then I will clicking this settings, and here you have to select this button from this general tab, collect email addresses. Then if you clicking this limit to 1 response means only respondents will give only 1 response. That means here one person attend this quiz only 1 time. Then by clicking this quiz tab you have to select make this a quiz, and then if you want to provide a grade for your participants after submission, you have to select this option, and then if you want to show the correct answer, point value or missing questions after submitting your form to the participants, you have to select these options and then click the save button. Now your form will be created successfully. Before going to start providing certificates, you have to provide answer key. Here I will, by clicking this answer key button, and then I select correct answer and providing the point value, and then click done. Your form will be created successfully. After it will automatically saved in your Google Drive. There is no need you to save your forms. and then you have to enable Certify EM controls. For that we have to click this 3 dots, and then from this you have to select add-ons button. A new window will be appeared here. With this you have to type Certify EM. The Certify EM control will be displayed here. Before operating this, we must install Certify EM controls. For that we clicking this install and then continue. It will log in through your Google account. For that you have to select your Google account and then click allow button. Then only it will be installed in our drive. Okay, our Certify EM will be installed successfully. After that you have to close this tab, and then now the add-on control will be appeared here. By clicking this add-on, click the Certify EM controls, and then here so Certify EM controls, recent certificates, about Certify EM, help. So Certify EM controls all the controls available in Certify EM. The recent certificates means if any participants doesn't receive any certificate means, or any mistakes means, you have to provide them a certificate again by clicking this button. Now we have to go for our Certify EM controls. Then turn on certification, and then after turn on you have to provide percentage of passing here, and then we have to select our templates from certificates from this templates. It will take few seconds. Okay, now you have to select your percentage. I will select 50%, and then you have to select your certificate from these templates. It is very slow. Okay, if we want to add a new template means, create a new template means, you have to use a custom template. Before that we must create a certificate. For that I will open a Word page. With this I just simply change the page layout orientation as a landscape, and then just type our college name and certificate logo, and then signature of our HOD sir and principal sir, and then by using this we have to now by pressing the print screen button from your keyboard, you have to screenshot this page and then paste the same in our Paint. A new Paint. Here I will paste that page. From this I will select I will design the background of my certificate. By using this select button, I just select this portion and I just cut this portion and I create a new page in Paint. Without saving that, I just provide my certificate background and then I just save it as CR back. Okay. And then we'll go to our Google Forms. Here for adding this templates, we must create a Google slide for certificate. For that we come to our Google Drive and then clicking a new button, then select a Google slide button. A new presentation will be appeared here. From this I will delete this title and then subtitle tab, and then by clicking this insert image, I will upload my designed background, that is CER back. That will be appeared here. It is very easy to design your own certificate. If you want to add background, their Word file itself you have to add your background, and then you have to add message here. For that I will already typed in Word page. This portion will be copied and then that will be pasted here. I just align like this. Okay, this is the content in our certificate. The field represented from within this braces represents it is a syntax, the fields that can be referred from our Google Forms. Okay, it will take the name from our Google Forms. This will take the next two fields, designation and college name from our Google Forms. If you want to add the webinar date, means you have to provide date here, and then if this certificate ID will be taken from our certificates, then you just save our presentation like SAMP CER 2, sample certificate 2 I will save in that name. Then it will ask share our Google Forms, our slide. I just press the escape key and then simply close my slide. Okay, now you just select that templated created by you in your Google Slides by pressing this custom template and then select your new presentation SAMP CR2 created by you and then save changes. Your certificate will be added with your Google form, and then by clicking this advanced option we have to provide the details for your Google form, that is thank you for your submission. If you if you paused, you will receive the printable certificate shortly, and then provide your sender name, subject. Wait, here I will provide thank you for your submission. If you provide feedback form, you will receive a printable certificate, and then the certificate sender name and the certificate of participation, and then thank you for your participation. Here you have to select send your certificate as PDF and then click the save button. Now all is over. Now we have to share our Google form. If you want to share your Google form from your mail, means you have to select, I will select my name. I will send my form like this to me. If you want to share through your WhatsApp link, WhatsApp means you have to choose this link button and then shorten your URL and then copy this URL, paste in your WhatsApp form, and then you can send to anybody to attend this quiz. Thank you. If you want to preview your Google form, means you just click this preview button. Your form will be appeared here. Okay, your form will be appeared like this for all the participants. Thank you, friends. Thank you for attending this webinar. All of you must provide feedback form provided in your description box, and kindly all of you must provide your feedbacks and receive the certificate for your participation in this webinar. If you like this webinar, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.